In number 1, we want to find the slope of the line through these points. Let me write down the formula for slope. Very often the letter M is used for slope. So the slope is a quotient. In the numerator, we subtract the two y values of the given points, y2 minus y1, and in the denominator, subtract the x values. Now what I like to do is I like to line up my points. That way I match the y values and I match the x values. So now I'm going to subtract the top, subtract the bottom, 8 minus 2 in the numerator, and keep the same order for the denominator, 7 minus 1. So in the numerator we have 6, and in the denominator we also have 6. That means our slope is equal to 1. In number 2, again, we're finding a slope, so I'll start by lining up points. And let's subtract y values in the numerator. 8 subtract negative 4. And in the denominator, negative 5 subtract negative 2. In the numerator, we're subtracting a negative, and that turns into adding a positive. Same situation here, we're subtracting a negative, so that's going to turn into adding a positive. And we end up with 12 in the numerator and negative 3 in the denominator, which is equal to negative 4. In number 3, we want to graph the line that has slope negative 3 over 4 and goes through point negative 2 comma 1. So first let's plot negative 2, 1. So we're going to go left 2 for the negative 2 and up 1. All right, so there we have our point. And our slope is equal to negative 3/4. I'm going to attach the negative sign to the numerator. You can attach it either to the numerator or the denominator. And then, because we have a negative in the numerator, we're going to start at our given point, and the negative indicates a down direction. We're going to go down 3. The numerator indicates either an up or down direction. Since it's negative, it's down. The denominator is a right or left direction. Since this is positive, it's right. So we're going to go right 4. First down 3, then right 4. So let's start here, and let's go down 3. And this will have us land on another point on the line, and now right 4. So there's another point on our line, and we're just going to connect them, and that'll be the graph. And there we have it. Our line that goes through point minus 2, 1, and has slope negative 3 over 4. In number 4, we want to find the slope of this line. So what we do is we look for places where the line goes through the grid, the crosshatch. So here's one place, and here it just misses. Here's another. There are others as well. Like here's one, and here's one, but we only need to find 2. Any 2. Now we're going to go from this point to this point, first going in an up-down direction, then a right-left. So we're going to start by going down because this point is below this. So we're going down 2 units. And now to get to this point, we're going to go right 3 units. The down 2 units contributes a negative 2 to the slope in the numerator. And the right 3 contributes a positive 3 in the denominator. And that's our slope, negative 2 over 3.